Can you repeat what you said? Because I couldn't hear everything you said because my thing was like slow because it's raining here and stuff.
I don't like Skyping with you. I feel like you're making fun of me.
I'm not. I'm not.
I'm gonna move to Canada.
Why?
What?
Why are you gonna move to Canada?
Because they have the largest amount of fresh water that's like not bottled or doesn't have the bottling companies there, and they have. Because I want to. I don't really. I feel like you're making fun of me. Oh my gosh.
I'm not
okay,
making fun of you.
So there was. What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
Oh, well, I can't see you. But there was this bug flying around upstairs somewhere here, and I was chasing it around with one of my mom's cooking magazines, trying to hit it, and I killed it, and it's sitting over there, but I don't want to pick it up because it looks really scary.